What if I told you that shopping center staff use special codes that you have never heard of?
Secret codes.
Yes, codes that mean you can get better deals. Codes that mean you can return items without questions. Codes that mean you can get things for free.
Really?
Welcome back to Practice English Anytime. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. And today, we are going to teach you those codes.
But more importantly, we are going to teach you every single word and phrase you need to confidently shop in English.
From finding the right size to negotiating a discount to returning items.
And by the end of this video, you will understand something that 90% of shoppers miss. Why certain people always get better deals than others.
The answer might surprise you.
But first, a question.
Listen carefully to the story and try to find the answer.
Here is today's question.
What is the official term for the area of a store where you can return or exchange items?
The answer is in the story. If you find it, write it in the comments below.
All right, let's begin.
It is Saturday morning. We are at the shopping center.
I can see the directory near the entrance, that big board that shows all the stores.
That is exactly where you start. A directory is a complete list of all the shops, restaurants, and services in the shopping center.
It shows me which floor each store is on.
Yes. And it often shows which stores are currently having sales. This is crucial information.
Sales. That means discounted prices.
Yes. A sale is when a shop reduces the price of items temporarily to encourage people to buy. Smart shoppers always check the directory first.
Why?
Because you want to plan your route. You want to know which stores have what you need, which ones are having sales. Are they all on the same floor, or do you need to go up and down?
That makes sense.
Now, here is the first secret. The directory shows current sales, but it does not show the upcoming sales. And that is where you can get an advantage.
How?
You ask the store staff. You simply ask, do you have any upcoming sales, or when is your next sale?
And they will tell you.
They will. And if a sale is coming very soon, sometimes within days, the staff might give you an early discount code. Most people do not ask, so they miss these opportunities.
Interesting. Okay. We are looking for clothes. Which store should we go to?
I see 3 options here: H&M, Zara, and Marks & Spencer. Let's go to Zara first.
Let's pause here for a moment.
Before we go into the store, let's learn the essential vocabulary.
First, directory, the board or list showing all stores and services in the shopping center.
Second, sale, a period when items are sold at reduced prices. Always check for sales before entering a store.
Third, discount code, a special code or coupon that gives you money off your purchase. Ask staff if they have any available.
Fourth, the fitting room, the private area where you try on clothes before buying. Important to know where it is.
Fifth, customer service desk, where you ask questions, make complaints, or process returns and exchanges.
Sixth, the till or checkout, where you pay for your items, also called the register in American English.
Seventh, receipt, the paper proof of your purchase. Keep this. You need it for returns.
8 essential words. Now let's go into the store.
Okay, we are in Zara now. I can see clothes everywhere.
How do I find my size?
Look for the size markers, usually on the rack or the shelf. Sizes come in different systems. In the UK, you have sizes like 8, 10, 12. In the US, it is extra small, small, medium, large.
Extra small, small, medium, large. So it is the same as XS, S, M, L?
Exactly. And then you have extra large, XXL, and even XXXL for bigger sizes.
And each size has different measurements?
Yes. That is why trying something on is so important, Two items can have the same size label but fit completely differently.
I found a dress I like, but I am not sure about the fit. Can I try it on?
Of course, you go to the fitting room,
Excuse me, where is the fitting room?
usually at the back of the store. A staff member might ask you, how many items would you like to try on? They need to count the items for security.
Security? Why?
Stores have a limit on how many items you can bring into a fitting room at once. This prevents people from stealing. It is a standard security procedure.
I have one dress. That should be fine.
You go in, you try it on, you look in the mirror, you walk around, you check how it feels.
And then I decide, do I like it or not?
Exactly. If you like it, you take it to the till. If you do not like it, you hang it back up and put it on the return rail.
Return rail. That is where clothes you do not want go.
Yes, never just throw a garment on a random shelf if you are not buying it. Staff have to go back and reorganize. Use the return rail. It shows respect.
Good to know. Now, I like this dress, but I am worried about the price. Can I negotiate?
In some cases, yes. Here is the secret that most people do not know.
Tell me.
If an item has a slight defect, a tiny stain, a loose thread, a missing button, you can ask for a reduction.
A reduction? A discount?
Yes. A reduction means the price is lowered. If you point out a defect, staff might offer you a percentage off.
So I should look carefully for flaws before buying?
Exactly. And if you find one, you can say, I found a small defect. Would you be able to offer me a reduction?
Most of the time, they will say yes, especially if the item is still good overall.
This is how smart shoppers get better deals. Most people just pay full price.
Let's stop for a moment.
We learned so much in the fitting room. Let's review.
First, sizes. XS, S, M, L, XL, XXL. Different countries use different size systems, so always try things on.
Second, fitting room. The private area where you try on clothes. Staff monitor how many items you take in for security.
Third, return rail. The place where you hang clothes you do not want to buy. Never leave items randomly on shelves.
Fourth, defect. A small flaw or problem with an item like a stain or loose thread.
Fifth, reduction. A discount or price reduction for an item with a defect.
Sixth, to negotiate. To discuss the price and try to get a lower price. In some stores it is possible. It never hurts to ask.
Now you know the secrets. Let's continue shopping.
You have decided. You want to buy the dress.
I am taking it to the checkout now.
You join the queue. When it is your turn, you put the item on the counter.
The cashier scans the barcode. The price comes up, and that is my total.
You can pay by card or cash. Then you get your receipt.
And I keep the receipt because I might want to return it?
Exactly. Most stores have a returns policy. You need to check what it is.
Returns policy. The rules about returning items?
Yes. Different stores have different policies. Some allow returns within 7 days. Some allow 30 days. Some have no time limit as long as the item is unworn.
Unworn. Never been worn?
Yes, unworn and with tags still attached. That means the small label on the item that shows the size and price. You have to keep the tags on.
And what about exchanges? Can I exchange for a different size?
Yes. An exchange means you return the item and get a different one. Same item, different size or color.
Is that easier than returning and buying again?
It can be. An exchange often happens faster because you do not need to process a refund.
Refund? Money back to my account?
Yes. A refund is the return of your money. If you return an item, the money comes back to you, either as cash if you paid cash, or back to your card if you paid by card.
How long does a refund take?
If you paid by card, it can take 3 to 5 business days, sometimes longer. The important thing is to keep your receipt and the proof of the refund.
Proof? Evidence that the refund happened?
Yes, Keep the email or the receipt. If the refund does not come through, you can contact the store with proof.
Now, let's say I want to return this dress without any questions. What do I say?
You go to the customer service desk, sometimes called customer returns or the returns counter.
And then?
You simply say, "I would like to return this item, please. Here is my receipt." The staff will check the receipt, check that the item is unworn, check that the tags are attached, and process the return.
And they will not ask why?
They might ask. You can say, "I changed my mind," or "The size did not fit." It does not matter. Most stores allow returns, no questions asked.
That is good to know.
And here is another secret. If you are returning an item because of a defect, a broken seam, a stain that you did not notice until you got home, mention it.
Why?
Because some stores might offer you an extra percentage off your next purchase, a gesture of goodwill. Only if you mention the defect.
So speaking up about problems can actually get you rewards?
Yes, this is how smart shoppers work. They communicate politely about issues, and stores appreciate it.
Let's stop here.
The returns process has important vocabulary.
First, returns policy, the rules about returning or exchanging items. Different stores have different policies, so always check.
Second, unworn, never worn before. Items must be unworn with tags attached to be eligible for return.
Third, exchange, to return an item and get a different one in a different size or color.
Fourth, refund. Money returned to you after a return. Takes 3 to 5 business days if paid by card.
Fifth, customer service desk, where you ask questions or process returns and exchanges.
Sixth, proof. Evidence. Keep your receipt or email as proof of the transaction or refund.
Seventh, gesture of goodwill, something a business does to show appreciation. A discount on your next purchase is a gesture of goodwill.
Now you know the entire returns process.
Okay, we have covered trying on clothes and returns. Now let's talk about the real secrets.
You promised to tell us how to get better deals.
I did. So listen carefully because this is where most people miss out.
I am listening.
Secret 1. Sign up for the store's loyalty program. Most clothing stores have these. You get a membership card or app.
And what do you get?
Points. Every purchase gives you points. Accumulated points can be redeemed for discounts or free items.
So the more you shop, the more rewards you get.
Exactly. And member-only sales. Members get access to special sales before the general public.
That is a huge advantage.
Secret 2. Ask when items go on sale. When you buy something full price, ask the staff, "When is this item going on sale?"
They will tell you?
They might. If it is going on sale within 14 days, some stores will retroactively give you the discount. It is called price matching.
Price matching. Matching the sale price even though I bought it full price.
Yes, it is a policy many stores have. You have to ask. They never volunteer this information.
So, by simply asking, I can save money.
Yes. Secret 3. Go shopping during off-peak times.
Off-peak times.
When the store is quiet, weekday afternoons, early mornings. Why? Because when the store is quiet, staff have more time to help you. They can answer questions. They might even negotiate discounts because they are not rushed.
So the busy Saturday shopping experience is actually the worst time to shop if you want to get good service and deals.
Exactly. Secret 4. Look for clearance sections.
Clearance. Selling off old stock at very low prices.
Yes. Every store has a clearance or outlet section. These are items from previous seasons that did not sell. They are deeply discounted, often 50 to 70% off.
But the selection is limited.
Yes, limited sizes and styles. But if you find something that fits, you save enormous amounts of money.
And secret 5?
The one that most people never think about.
Tell me.
Be nice to the staff. Sound crazy? It is not. If you are polite, friendly, and ask nicely, staff will often help you in ways they will not for rude customers.
Like what?
They might call other stores to find your size. They might arrange a hold on an item for you. They might give you a discount code just because you were nice. This is real. Kindness is currency in retail.
So treating people well actually comes with tangible benefits.
It absolutely does.
Now let's practice. Let me be a shop assistant. You come in looking for jeans.
Okay, excuse me. Do you have any jeans in my size?
Of course. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a medium, but sometimes I need a large. Do you have both?
Let me check our system. Yes, we have both in stock. What style are you looking for?
Something casual, dark blue.
Perfect. We have several options. Let me show you.
This one looks nice. How much is it?
That one is £45. But wait, let me check if it is in the sale. Yes, today it is on sale for £32.
Oh, great. And do you have any discount codes available?
Actually, we do. If you sign up for our loyalty program right now, I can give you an additional 10% off.
That is wonderful. Thank you.
You are welcome. Would you like to try these on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is over there. I can take up to 5 items at a time.
I just have these 2 pairs.
Perfect. Let me know if you need anything.
I will. Thank you.
Let's go through the final vocabulary.
From the secrets of smart shopping.
First, loyalty program. A membership that gives you points and rewards for shopping.
Second, price matching. When a store gives you a sale price retroactively if the item goes on sale soon after you buy it.
Third, off-peak times. When the store is quiet, like weekday afternoons. Better service and deals.
Fourth, clearance. Very deep discounts on old stock that did not sell. Can be 50 to 70% off.
Fifth, kindness is currency. Being nice to staff gets you better service and sometimes perks.
Sixth, hold. When a store sets aside an item for you to pick up later.
These are the secrets that smart shoppers use.
And that is the complete guide to shopping center vocabulary and strategies.
You now know everything from finding items to trying them on to returning them.
You know the vocabulary: fitting room, return rail, defect, reduction, refund, exchange.
And you know the secrets. Ask about discounts. Shop during quiet times. Join loyalty programs. Be kind to staff.
Now, one last time, today's question.
What is the official term for the area of a store where you can return or exchange items?
Did you find the answer in the story? Write it in the comments below.
And if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe to our channel.
We upload new videos every week with slow, clear English for beginners.
Thank you so much for watching Practice English Anytime.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.